Hi student, in previous video lecture we are discussed about the introduction of organic chemistry. Today we study the common nomenclature, common name of saturated hydrocarbon. You observe that the some in the name of some compound, the word and the letter N is used, small n is used. The small n used especially in the hydrocarbon which arrange in straight line. Which arrange in straight line means the straight hydrocarbons chain like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, hydrocarbons are arranged in straight line. So the name of these hydrocarbons written, you know that the 4 hydrocarbon is known as pentane, sorry, butane, but the 4 hydrocarbons arranged in a straight line, so the prefix use N and butane. Other example, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here 3 hydrocarbons arranged in straight line. But we do not use N propane, small n in the name of propane, because the n used for straight line only when the number of carbon hydrocarbon more than 3, not 3 or less than 3. So other example like CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. The number of hydrocarbons is more than 3. So the name is N-pentane. The prefix N used because the number of hydrocarbons is more than 3. You understand? Next point, iso. Next point is iso. The prefix iso used when methyl means CH3 substituents, CH3 is known as methyl. When methyl attached to second or second last position, when methyl attached to second or second last position of hydrocarbon chain, then it is called iso. That means you understand by the example. Here example, CH3 single bond CH3 side chain CH3 CH2 CH3. According to concept of prefix iso, here side chain, it is parent chain and it is side chain. In side chain, you observe that the methyl group is attached. The methyl group attached with the parent chain at the first and second, third, fourth. The methyl group attached at the second position. The concept is when methyl attached to second position, then we use iso as a prefix. So we write the name of this compound iso 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. isopentyl. Here, next example, it of parent chain. The parent chain in missing group, a group or atoms are missing here. The counting in missing group, the counting start from the missing carbon. The carbon first, carbon second, carbon third, carbon fourth. Here, methyl group attached at the last carbon, last second carbon. Methyl group attached here, last second carbon. Methyl group attached at last second carbon. According to iso concept, when methyl group attached second last position, we use iso as a prefix. So we write the name isopentyl. Other example, here chlorine is attached at the first position, second position, third position and fourth position. First, second, third, fourth carbon. The methyl group attached last second carbon. So we use the iso for the writing their common name. The common name is isomethyl or isopentyl chloride. Now we are discuss about neo, prefix neo. In common name, prefix neo used when two methyl attached in iso one methyl, but in neo two methyl attached second last position. The concept of iso and neo are differ only in the manner of one methyl and two methyl. Other than similar, when two methyls attached to second last position of hydrocarbon chain, then it is called neo. As a like example as here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, and 4 carbon chain is parent carbon chain. At the second position 1, 2 methyl group is attached. When 2 methyl group attached at the second position, we use neo as a prefix. So the name of this compound is neohexane. Here, second example, first, second, third, fourth. The parent chain is 4 carbon chain, but last and second last. At the second last carbon, 2 methyl group attached. According to concept, second last position, when 2 methyl attached at the second last position, we use neo as a prefix. So the name is neo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexyl. Neohexyl. Other example: first, second, third, fourth. The parent chain is fourth carbon chain. The methyl 2-methyl group that is attached at the second last carbon. So we use the neo as a prefix. Neo, number of carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6. Neo hexyl chloride. Neohexyl chloride. Please write down in your notebook. So one exception in the naming of iso. The exception is CH3CH CH3. Here you observe that one methyl group attached at the first position, but the name is iso because for secondary and tertiary compound minimum carbons should be 4, because for secondary or tertiary, for writing secondary or tertiary, the minimum carbon is 4. So we write the isopropyl. What is the secondary and tertiary? Observe here. The primary prefix is used when carbon attached with the single carbon. Here you observe that a missing atom, the first carbon is 1 degree because the first carbon attached with the single carbon. So it is known as 1 degree or primary. So use it primary as a prefix. Like here, our OH group, OH means alcoholic group attached at the primary carbon. So this hydrocarbon is known as primary alcohol. Prefix secondary used when the carbon's functional group carbon. Example here, functional group carbon attached with 2 carbons chain, like this. The prefix secondary used here, we used prefix secondary written as sec, secondary alcohol. Here secondary halide, or secondary chloride. Tertiary prefix. The tertiary prefix used when the carbons which directly attached with the carbon which directly attached with functional group is connected with three hydrocarbons chain. Then we use tertiary. That means this compound is tertiary written as tertiary alcohol, and it is tertiary 1 2 3 4 butyl, tertiary butyl. One thing more, you know that CH4 is methane, but when from methane one hydrogen is missing, then it is known as methyl. It is known as methyl. From methane, if one hydrogen is missing, then it is known as methyl. When from methane two hydrogen is missing, then it is known as methylene or methylidene. When three hydrogen is missing, then it is known as methylidine. After the study of these prefix, I expect that you all observe and read the common name of saturated hydrocarbons. Please read and solve the questions which given in your class 11th book and class 12th organic chemistry book, that is second book of the chemistry. Thank you very much.